If Gmail is giving you an error in 2025, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your inbox without wasting time. This is perfect if Gmail won't load, keeps crashing, shows an error message, or just isn't working the way it should. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, we're going to clear your browser cache and cookies because old or corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons Gmail starts acting up. Open your browser, then click the three dots in the top corner. From there, go to More Tools, and then select Delete Browsing Data. When the window opens, make sure the time range is set to All Time. Now check Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Once both of those options are selected, click Clear Data and give it a moment to finish. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail to see if the issue is gone. If Gmail is still showing an error, the next thing to check is your Google storage quota. Sometimes Gmail stops working properly when your Google account storage is full. To check this, go to one.google.com/storage in your browser. This page will show you how much space you're using across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. If your storage is full or nearly full, you'll need to free up space. Start by deleting large emails you no longer need, especially ones with big attachments. Also check your trash and spam folders because files and emails there can still take up space until they're permanently removed. Once you clear enough storage, refresh Gmail and see if the error is fixed. Now let's check whether a browser extension is causing the problem. Extensions can sometimes interfere with Gmail and trigger loading errors, login issues, or broken buttons. A quick way to test this is by opening a new incognito window or private window in your browser. Then go to mail.google.com and try Gmail again. If Gmail works normally in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions is the cause. To find the exact one, go back to your browser menu, open Extensions, and choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off your extensions one by one, testing Gmail each time until you find the one that's conflicting. Once you find it, you can leave it disabled or remove it completely. If none of those steps worked, there's one more important thing to check, and that is a Google outage. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all. Gmail services can experience temporary disruptions. To verify this, open google.com/app-status/dashboard in your browser. This is Google's official app status dashboard, and it shows whether Gmail or other Google services are having outages or performance problems. If you see an issue reported there, the best solution is usually to wait until Google resolves it on their end. So to recap, if Gmail is throwing an error in 2025, first clear your browser cache and cookies, then check your Google storage quota, then test for extension conflicts, and finally confirm whether Google is having an outage. One of these fixes usually solves the issue fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.